When people want something from you, they remember you. But once their work is done, they forget you, as if you never mattered. If yes, then this story is for you. Arya was a kind and helpful girl. She never refused anyone. If someone needed notes, help, or advice, they called Arya. If someone was sad, she stayed up all night talking to them. She thought being good meant being available for everyone. But slowly, she noticed a painful truth. People remembered her only when they needed help. In their good times, parties, plans, fun moments, they never invited her. They didn't even ask how she was doing. In bad times, they came running back and said, "Arya, please, you're the only one I can trust." And Arya helped every single time. But deep inside, she knew they never truly respected her. One evening, she sat alone, tired and silent. Her phone kept ringing, but she didn't feel like answering. She looked at all the names on her screen, people who called her best friend, but never cared how she felt. Her heart whispered, "They don't see your value because you never stop giving." That night, Arya's mother came and saw her quiet. "What's wrong, Beta?" she asked. Arya said softly, "People come to me only when they need something. They never remember me otherwise." Her mother smiled gently. "Then stop being everywhere, my child. People don't respect what's always easy to reach." Arya thought about those words the whole night. Next morning, she did something different. She turned off her phone. She didn't answer anyone that day. Instead, she painted, cooked her favorite food, took a walk, and sat quietly with her thoughts. For the first time in years, she felt peace. Days passed. Some people got angry. Some said, "You've changed." And Arya simply smiled. "Yes, I changed for myself." When she finally turned her phone back on, there were many messages, most full of complaint. But one message stood out. It was from her true friend, Rhea. "I understand why you took a break. I'm proud of you, Arya. You deserve to rest too." Tears filled Arya's eyes. For the first time, someone understood her silence. Months later, people began to respect her time. They thought twice before calling. And Arya learned something powerful. If you are always available, people forget your worth. When you disappear, they finally see your value. Moral: stop being available for everyone. People who truly respect you will understand your silence too. Your time, peace, and energy are precious. Give them where they are valued, not just needed. Would you like me to suggest any other topic for story? If yes, then write in comment section.